Hey, welcome to the Tetradecahedron through Myopia Insight. We're up in the Ski Valley, and after a long, long ride and a nice stop for teriyaki madness. That's where we stopped. It was fabulous. Um, and I ended up stopping at Leon's high school, and because my leg hurted so bad on the way up, we were almost there, and I just couldn't drive anymore. I had to pull over. So happened I had to pull over right in front of my son, who's been gone for so many years, his high school. And I got out of the car and stretched my leg and did some bends and squats and chanted Nam Myoho Renge Kyo and remembered Leon. And it was difficult to get back into the car and drive again. So, I don't want to be dissociating or, feeling I've got to drive, right? So the thing I needed to do was I perhaps created a little distraction. So I bit my thumb. The other hand on the steering wheel, I'm biting my thumb. Kept me focused. I didn't draw blood, but it did make a dent. So, what we do. And then Charlotte said, "Oh, I know what happened." She said, "Hey, Grandma, it's 4:44." And I said, "Yeah, that's my special number. That's my angel number. It happens to be on Leon's birth certificate, 4:44 p.m., September 7th, 1985. That's how long he's been gone. And I watched Tyree Nichols' mom and dad talk today, and how he was pummeled and murdered by the police. Oh, I got a chant for that lady. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. I'll post trigger warning on this, okay? And I really, really love you guys, and hope to hear from you. And thanks for Notorious DID for posting. And let's keep moving forward together and join in unity, because we're not all so different from one another in our multiplicity. Have a great evening, guys. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. We can make it through whatever life brings us, wherever we go, whatever we choose to create our reality. Hey, there's a new book. Trying to think, new book coming out on January 31st called Terraforms. Oh my gosh, it sounds so great for us in DID. It's about creating your world from basically nothing. Yeah, like we do like we do. Okie dokie, bye. Love you. Talk to you later.